Well, hi there folks. A couple of weeks ago I posted a video about my conversion number 14 of these cheap foamy little gliders, which I built very lightweight with the intention of being an FPV plane. So a couple of weeks ago I finished it, and I was just waiting for the weather to improve so I could take it out for its first test flight. And I posted another video. Will I be brave enough? Well, the question is, weather was good today. I was up at the strip. Was I brave enough? How do you think it went? Let's take a look. Well, right folks, we're up here again. First time in a long time when it's been even vaguely possible to fly a lightweight 250 gram machine, and it's time to test my FPV Lidl plane. First test is going to be a range test. So this is one of 3 modules I've made. It's got a small camera in the front, obviously transmitter on the back, and I've made a thing to go on my transmitter so that I can look at the monitor. I'll try and see what's on the monitor while it's flying around to see whether I get a good video signal from it. So wish me luck with that. Well, actually, the first thing I've discovered is you can't wear Polaroids when you're looking at one of these screens because the screen just went black. I'm going to go over here. Actually, there is more breeze than was forecast, of course, but this is 700 feet above sea level here, so even when there's no wind anywhere, oh, there's quite a lot of breeze here. 5 or 10 miles an hour. We give it a go anyway. I'm fed up with just looking at this and hoping. So at the moment I've got a nice video image on there. I'm going to concentrate on flying the plane and occasionally look at the screen. And it doesn't want to turn left. And I can already see I've got breakup on the screen, which may be interference. Yeah, I'm getting breakup there, which is disappointing because I'm getting breakup on my video signal, which is disappointing because I was getting 270 yards on ground tests, and it's breaking up a lot there. Whoa! And when I look at the screen, I'm losing the plot. But this little Lidl does fly okay. Doesn't want to turn left, it turns right. It turns right okay. So first test of this, not particularly good, and still need to trim it a bit because, like I say, very reluctant to turn left. So I think I will come in for a landing. Straight on the nose. Oh man. Well, I must admit, because I was feeling nervous there, I was losing the plot, turning right when I wanted to turn left, and turning left when I wanted to turn right. And even the prop saver didn't work. Anyway, all in all, not a particularly good initial test for my FPV Lidl. Anyway, so that was my first attempt at flying my FPV number 14 Lidl. Didn't go as well as I hoped. I think the interference was possibly caused by the fact that I'm using a Y lead there so that I can connect the video transmitter and the speed controller for the motor to one LiPo. I'm going to try it next time with this tiny little combined camera and transmitter which is a little E-Chime one, and that just connects to a 1S. So that would, especially if I can put the 1S way down the front here, away from the speed controller, that might cure the interference problem, because I was actually getting 250 yards on ground tests with this tiny little transmitter, and the one I was using today was in fact, just for test purposes, a bit more powerful than that, so I should have easily got 250 yards with that. And that line of trees that you can see here on the video is only not much more than 100 yards away, so I should have at least got to the line of trees, and in fact I couldn't get anywhere near it. So that was the story of that. Better luck next time, you might say. Also didn't have much luck with my lovely twin fuselage Lidl conversion, which does fly like a beauty. But I connected up the LiPo to that, and the elevator went absolutely maximum as far as it could go. I tried various things, I couldn't do anything about it, so when I tested when I got home, this is what happened. As you can see, there was definitely something wrong with that servo, so I've done a quick transplant, and as you can see, after my transplant jobby, working perfectly well. And so next time that's going to go great, and in fact it's a bit of a shame because I was going to put a camera on it to get some aerial video from it. But if you want to see how this flies, please click the video, because it was actually one of my best flying models of my 14 so far. Anyway, that was today's little adventure with my number 14 Lidl. And if you want to see if I finally get some success with my attempts at FPV setups and flying, why not hit subscribe? But I'll stop waffling on. Thanks for watching. Safe flying. Hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.